Hey there, fellow remote workers and freelancers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of home office products. Whether you're working from home or managing your own business, having a productive workspace is essential. So, we've curated a list of the best home office products to help you create a productive and inspiring work environment. Let's get started. Product number 1, ergonomic desk and chair. The foundation of a productive workspace is an ergonomic desk and chair. Invest in a desk that provides ample workspace and adjustable height options. Pair it with a comfortable and supportive chair that promotes good posture. Taking care of your physical well-being is crucial for long hours of focused work. Product number 2, dual monitors or large screen. Boost your productivity by investing in dual monitors or a large screen. Having multiple screens allows you to have multiple windows open simultaneously, making it easier to multitask and work more efficiently. If dual monitors aren't feasible, opt for a larger screen that provides ample space for your work. Product number 3, task lighting. Adequate lighting is vital for a productive workspace. Consider adding task lighting, such as a desk lamp with adjustable brightness settings. This helps reduce eye strain and enhances focus, especially during late-night work sessions. Product number 4, noise-canceling headphones. Create a quiet and distraction-free zone with noise-canceling headphones. These headphones block out background noise, allowing you to concentrate on your work without interruptions. Choose a comfortable pair with excellent sound quality for immersive audio experiences. Product number 5, desk organizer. Keep your workspace tidy and organized with a desk organizer. Look for one with compartments and drawers to store stationery, documents, and other essentials. A clutter-free desk promotes a clear mind and enhances productivity. Product number 6, wireless keyboard and mouse. Enhance your typing and navigation experience with a wireless keyboard and mouse. These devices offer flexibility and freedom of movement, reducing cable clutter on your desk. Choose ergonomic designs that provide comfort during long work hours. Product number 7, whiteboard or corkboard. Boost your productivity and creativity with a whiteboard or corkboard. Use it to jot down important tasks, reminders, and inspirational quotes. Pin up important documents or inspiration on a corkboard to keep them visible and easily accessible. Product number 8, cable management solutions. Say goodbye to tangled cables with cable management solutions. Use cable clips, sleeves, or cable boxes to keep your cables organized and prevent them from tangling. This not only improves the aesthetics of your workspace, but also makes it easier to locate and manage cables. And there you have it, our top recommendations for the best home office products to use for a productive workspace. Creating an environment that fosters focus, organization, and comfort is key to maximizing your productivity. Remember, each of these products plays a unique role in enhancing your work experience at home. We've left links to these products in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips, work from home advice, and product recommendations. Wishing you all the best as you create your own productive and inspiring workspace. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep achieving your goals. Until next time, take care.